Hello, Sasu Flavors family. I'm a Sasu here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious homemade guacamole. You can enjoy this with tortilla chips or you can make an egg avocado toast sandwich. First things first, get your avocado. I like using my organic avocado. Then I cut it in half and then I'm going to scoop it out. Just use a spoon and just scoop it out and that's it. Avocado is really good for your gut health, your heart health, and if you're looking for something that has lots of good protein, avocado. Here I'm going to go ahead and mash it, and if you like your avocado a little chunky, that's going to determine how much you mash it really down, okay? I like it in between, okay? Not too chunky, but just a little bit, okay? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for all notifications, so every time I push deliciousness out, you will be notified. Here I'm adding some lime into my guacamole, and if you're like me, I like my guacamole to have that limey taste. So I put 2 limes in. You can just use 1 if you don't want it too limey, okay? But I like it with the lime in there. Okay, and plus it helps to give it a great flavor and it helps to prevent it from turning brown. Then I'm gonna go ahead with my seasonings. I'm gonna add some garlic powder, a little cumin powder, followed by a little black pepper. And then we're gonna go ahead and add a little chipotle pepper powder. Then I add my fresh diced plum tomatoes, fresh diced red onions, and I'm adding in some jalapeno pepper. However spicy you want it, that's going to determine how much jalapeno you put in here. And here I'm adding in some cilantro, and I'm going to give this a good mix. And as you can see, I have not added the salt yet because I want everything to mix together, and then I'm going to add the salt in last. I'll be using Himalayan salt. You can use sea salt. Make sure you taste test it. If you want it more spicy, you can add some more jalapeno. If you need a little more salt, if it's too tangy, you can balance it with the salt, okay? And I like enjoying this with tortilla chips. And also, if you want to get more protein in, I make a wheat sandwich with egg, a fried egg, put the avocado on there, and I got an avocado egg toast. Got my protein in. This will not make you sluggish throughout your day, okay? Enjoy. Look at this egg sandwich. Yes. See you in the next video. Bye.